Good morning, our welcome, Mother Sophia, Sister Super Topic. We are very happy to welcome you to the Season Start School. Thank you for taking many distance to take care during Season Start School. I wish you happy, healthy, great things. I would like to sing a song for you. I have something in my pocket, it's a louder my way. I keep it very close to me and there's a little bit. And you never ever get it if you get it a long, long while. So I take it out and put it on. It's a big great and a happy smile. Thank you.
ขอเสียงปรบมือค่ะ